Another warm-up exercise. Start with a lat stretch and then up to a plank position, but from the push-up form. Tighten that core, shoulder blades down and back. You can transition down to the elbows. Squeeze those hands together, squeeze that core, squeeze the glutes. Little kick back. Open up the hips. While pushing those hands together is going to activate the chest. The whole time we're squeezing those core, glutes, hands. Want to wake up that posterior chain? We can do an opposite arm and an opposite leg. I'm going to flex that glute at the top, but we're not going to go so high that we hyperextend our lower back. If you can't do it from that position, you could do it on all fours and just holding the best you can. You can increase times as you progress.